In this video, I'm going to show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So if you want to go to the recovery mode, then first of all, we're going to open the power menu. We're going to use the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And there we go. And then you want to restart your phone. But once you start restarting the phone, you want to press and hold volume down. And now just keep holding volume down button until you see the fast boot mode. It should take a couple of seconds to do so. Here we go. Once you are here, you can navigate by using volume buttons, and you're looking for the recovery mode. Confirm by pressing the power button. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. The phone is going to restart, and then we will see this no command screen. You want to press the power button and hold it, and while holding the power button, you want to then press volume up. So press power and then press the volume up. There we go. And once we are here, we can once again navigate by using volume buttons. And of course, we confirm the selected option by choosing the power button, just like before. And in case you want to exit the recovery mode, you want to choose to reboot system now. So select that option and press power button to confirm. And then just wait for the phone to turn back on. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.